Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi, Sister Let. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. I wish I with you on your birthday. Hector, thank you for everything. Thank you for the friendship. Wishing you all the best, all your dreams to become true. I'm here to pray for your dream. I love you.
Hi, Mommy. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come and good health always. Love you. See you. Bye.
Wow, what a beautiful cold nippy chilly day. Friday to greet my dear friend, sister, on her birthday. Happy birthday, it's another year. But nevertheless, lahat tayo ay papunta dyan. Getting younger, if not older. So, I wish you the best on your birthday. And all your heart's desire. No? And kung ano man yun, sana ma-fulfill, sana mangyari na with God's grace. And thank you for everything. Thank you for your support to me. Your never-ending support. And thank you for your love. And there's so many things that goes with it. So, all the best, my dear. And enjoy your birthday. Nasaan ka nga ba noon? But I'm always here if you needed me. Okay. May God bless you and always be with you. Happy birthday, Neng. Bye-bye. Hi, Sister Glenn. May you have a bountiful and blissful birthday.
Happy birthday, Sis Kulit Letlet. May God bless you always and bless you all the best.
Yes, ate, happy birthday. May you have all the desires of your heart. God bless you always and good health.
Happy birthday!
Love you.
Love you, ma.
Hi, Ate Let. Happy birthday. Wish your birthday filled with love, laughter, and all the things that make you happiest. May the good Lord grant all your heart desires. Ted, thank you for everything, for being a friend, for being a sister in Christ. Thank you for lifting me up when I'm down and for being there when I needed you, when I needed someone. Thank you for bringing me in this community that I became more closer to God. May God grant all your heart desires there. I know He will. Happy birthday, Te.
Shout out sa'yo. Birthday mo daw ngayon. Pinapabati ka ng mga family members mo and ng buong Pilipinas. Sinaselebrate ng buong Pilipinas ang kaarawan mo ngayon dyan sa UK. Ingat ka palagi. Mami, happy birthday. Enjoy your day with your friends. Magbanding kayo, mag-inom, kumain, and all. Ano ba? Ano bang usual greetings? More birthdays to come. See you soon. We miss you here. Miss ka na ni Daddy. Baka kaya pang humabol ng bunso. Yun lang. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Sa mga friends ni Mami, thank you po sa mga support nyo palagi kay Mami and sa love nyo. Yun lang. Enjoy kayong lahat.
Hi Mami, happy birthday sa'yo and thank you for supporting us in your own ways kahit malayo kayo sa amin. And I hope next birthday nyo hindi na ganito from video lang. At and I hope the next birthday nyo ako naman ang nagbibigay sa inyo and para masuklian yung sacrifice mo po para sa amin. And yun lang, sana i-enjoy nyo ang birthday nyo and the rest ng buhay nyo and mag-enjoy lang po lagi. Yun. Love you, miss you.
Hello na. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. Enjoy your day and God bless you. Sana susunod na taon, birthday mo, magkasama na tayo. Na kahit malayo ka, enjoy your day. Wish you. Ingat ka lagi na. Bye. Na.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hope okay ang pinalalagyan mo dyan, aking ex-girlfriend. Kahit sa magkabilang dulo tayo ng mundo, huwag mong kalilimutan na alam mo na mahal kita. Medyo miss na kita eh. In spite of our challenges, struggles, ay patuloy pa rin nating nilalabanan ng buhay. Malay natin in God's time kikita na tayo. Gagawa tayo ng 12 ng anak. Kaya mo ba yun? Wow! Ang katawan mo sexy pa rin. Ingatan mo lagi ang iyong katawan. Laging mag-exercise. Ingat sa pagkain at diet na mabuti para maging well and good ang iyong PC. Para pag nakita tayo yun sa mga kaibigan mo, ako'y labis laging nagpapasalamat dyan sa community ng CFC, ng Handmaids of the Lord, at ikaw ay nasa tamang lugar at ginaguide ka ni Lord para mapabilang sa kanyang kawan at hindi maligaw, at naway tumibay pa, more power sa hold. Ingat kayo dyan. Maraming salamat po sa pag-aalaga sa aking asawa. Thank you.
Greetings. Happy birthday. May the desires of your heart all come true.